Hi everyone, my name is Chuck. I'm here today to just show you a little bit about my LED headlight conversion brackets for older model Polaris Sportsman ATVs. I got my 99 Sportsman 500 here behind me. As you can see, stock headlight over here, the incandescent 30 watt that came from the factory, and then I've got installed on this side one of my LED conversions. So I'm just going to show you a little bit more about what the brackets are and what they do and how to install them here in this video. So here's the bracket. It's a 3D printed plastic part. It's rather sturdy. You can't really flex it, can't break it. Should be good and durable for applications on the ATV. So let me show you how to install it. It's real quick and simple. First thing you're going to need to do is remove the upper rack. It's 4 Phillips head screws, and then the rack just lifts off. Next thing you're going to need is a ratchet with a 1/2 inch deep well socket, and I'll try to show you here how this works. We come down in behind the headlight. You'll see there's a bolt and an opening right here. You got to put your socket through that opening and just take that bolt loose a turn or two. And what that'll do is loosen up this headlight mount here and allow that to pivot. That bolt also serves as your adjustment for aiming your headlights up and down. And like I said, you don't need to loosen it too much. A couple turns will do. Next tool I'm going to need is a 7/16 open end wrench. And I'm going to come in here to the headlight, which you can see is now free to rotate in here. And I'm just going to remove the single bolt that's holding the headlight to the bracket, which is this bolt. Now, why Polaris decided to put the bolt in from the top down, I don't really know. If you put it in the other way, you can remove it again without having to take the rack off. So, just going to take that bolt loose, remove the nut, and now I can tip my headlight down enough to remove this bolt. And that's the stock headlight removal. Now I get my new LED adapter bracket. Goes right back in the same way the stock headlight came out. Reapply the nut to that 7/16 bolt. And now I'm ready to mount my headlight. On this machine, I've already gone ahead and attached the wiring for this headlight, but I'll show it to you here in the video. It's real straightforward, just 2 wires. On your machine, you're going to have a green and a brown coming from the machine to the stock headlight. You just clip the old connector off. And I used a pair of butt splices here, but you can do this however you wish. Anyways, green is positive and brown is negative, going to your new LED. and the LED fits into the bracket just like so. Now in the kit that comes with the brackets, I'm including 2 of these 1/4-inch stainless steel screws. These are going to thread directly into the adapter bracket behind the light. So those, you just take a regular Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and thread these in, and you don't need them to be super tight. Once you got those tightened down, you can go to the hardware kit that comes with your MIC tuning headlights. And they're going to have sent you 8 of these bolts. They come with lock washers and regular washers. And we're going to reuse 2 of those bolts per headlight, just to mount to the bracket. You can use an M8 socket, 8mm socket. We'll tighten those nuts down. Doesn't have to be super tight, just tight enough to compress the lock washers in there. All right, now I'm going to just kind of align my headlight visually to where I think I want it to aim. Come back in with my 7/16 open end ratchet wrench and tighten down this 7/16 nut here. And that tightens down my left to right swivel. And once I'm satisfied there, get my 1/2-inch socket. Come back in here to this same bolt I started with. Tighten that up. And once that's done, all you need to do is put the rack back on and you're home free. Tighten those screws back down and your machine's converted to LED lights. It's just that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested, reach out to me and can help you get set up with a set of these adapter brackets. I can point you to where to order the MIC tuning headlights and get you off and running. Thanks.